Why compress videos for email?
Sending large videos by email can be a challenge due to size limits and slow upload times. Compressing videos reduces their file size, making them easier and quicker to send. This helps ensure your videos reach their destination successfully and without hassle. Video compressor apps offer a convenient solution right from your mobile device.
Choosing a free video compressor app.
Several free apps are available for both Android and iOS, such as Video Compressor or Video Compress. These apps are user-friendly, support many video formats, and let you pick the quality and size. Always download from official app stores to ensure security and reliability.
Steps to compress a video on your phone.
Open your chosen video compressor app and allow it access to your videos. Select the video you want to compress. Choose a compression setting. Most apps offer presets, like small size or medium quality. Start the compression process and wait for it to finish. The app will save a smaller copy of your video.
Tips for best results.
Before sending your video, preview the compressed file to check its quality. Lower file sizes may reduce video clarity, so select the lowest size that still looks good. Compressing only the necessary part of a video instead of the whole file can further reduce size while keeping important content.
Attaching and sending your compressed video.
Once the video is compressed, attach it to your email using your Mail app's Attach or Insert feature. Make sure the file is under the maximum limit set by your email provider, which is typically 25 megabytes. Your video should now upload and send quickly, making email sharing much easier.